Yes. Hey, yeah, my people, them say me evil, but no believe, no believe, they cannot reason, you see it. Yeah, my people, watch you know, these are the first 30, right? The first set of 30 so-called despicables that the US have joined in agreement to send here to Jamaica with Andrew Holness and and none of them are a doctor. And the one evil Chang, Horseface Chang. Right? These are the 30 despicables, the first set. Okay? And I know they look all clean and good. You know, they probably was charged for scamming and, you know, I don't know what to say, bro. But don't be fooled by the faces and the appearances, you know? So this is what they're saying is the first set of despicables here in Jamaica, and they have gave them Jamaican citizenship. That is why they took the picture holding the flag. They had made a vow, right, to uphold the Jamaican law, respecting us, okay, and respecting the nation and all its privileges and all of that. Now, hold on, let's backtrack or blacktrack a bit. Now, this post is from the tropics, okay? And the tropics, they had captioned the post saying 30 people, 30. And they promised us 25 every fortnight, right? And they had to implicate 5 more to the 25 and make it 30. Now, 30 people from 10 countries have officially become Jamaican citizens. Now, they are officially Jamaican citizens. Like, what kind of ceremony this them keep? So easy it is to become a Jamaican citizen. Like, just as you reach and land at Jamaica and meet to the Prime Minister and the diplomats them and the corrupt politician them, you become a Jamaican citizen. After we Jamaicans been a lick out upon the people them were born a foreign from Jamaican parents who believe that they are no lesser than any other Jamaican, and we are lick out upon them and say them are a Jamaican. And now you have people from Africa all over the world, Haiti, Cuba, Italy, Zimbabwe, Russia, Egypt. Them people they just land here and become Jamaicans, yo. As what Bojo would have said. What Bojo would have said. Like when him said before him said, me mama. Like him would have said, them wickedy, me mama. So make we read this fast. So this said 30 people from 10 countries have officially become Jamaican citizens during a citizenship ceremony welcoming them to the Jamaican family. I wonder if that ceremony I need a pastor. Because pastor them always involved in these ceremony, you know, whether funeral ceremony, wedding ceremony, you have to pay and find pastor for pay them, you see me? So I believe a pastor was was bear witness and a part of this ceremony. Or maybe just some high official, you know, in the government ear field, you know what I mean? So maybe if not a pastor, some high official can possibly allow one to become a Jamaican citizen. Now the group included 12 women, 13 men, and 5 children. Do the maths. 13 and 13 are 26 minus 1, 25, plus 5 children, so that are 30. From Myanmar, from Russia, from Egypt, Zimbabwe, Italy, Haiti, Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and the United States, celebrating Jamaica's diversity and the start of a new chapter in their life. So when them said Jamaica is out of many one people, it was a future event planning thing. Because I eat this, you see me? The people them there. Jaja. Well, I want to say something else, you know. Andrew need to forward at the front of the line. This now, may I tell you, this is strange, guys. This is something serious. New World Order. Is that? Yeah, man, no joke.
Take up your score. Call up the youth and grab a lot of show. Sweet Jamaica.
Sweet Jamaica. Mm, yeah, the tropics again. Backside. 30 individuals from 10 countries officially become Jamaican citizens, marking the beginning of a new chapter. So the same thing. The new citizen, yeah, the same thing we read, my people. See the 30. I could count them. I have to count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We may see more faces on the next page. Hold on. Okay, so it's the same thing, guys. 30 people from 10 countries have officially become Jamaican citizens during a citizenship ceremony, welcoming them to the Jamaican family. That I go on. The group included 12 women, 13 men, and 5 children from Myanmar, Russia, Egypt, Zimbabwe, Italy, Haiti, Cuba, Dominica Republic, and the United States, celebrating Jamaica's diversity and the start of a new chapter in their life. That a go on, and what a go on. You know, some terrible news out there too. You want to see that one here? Watch out. I'm showing. Yeah, my people, so the news here, judge know me, I tell you, with the little 9-year-old girl. Yo, this mess up dog, because them send out them little pitney a shop, zin, and their own family member raped and unalive the little 9-year-old, zin, and my comment I get one heap of like. It get about nearly 500 likes in less than a few hours. But me still I get a lot of bashing because people are saying no empathy and no compassion for the family, because the family, people say the family must have blamed themselves by now, and me not have to blame them. But what me I say is drastic time call for drastic measures. You get what me I said? The time get rough and different and now, so you can't move like rough. You see me, if you love your youth, then protect them at all costs, at all time. Enough of them mother and baby mother and father. Well, most of the mother, them left them pitney for just run round all about. If you notice them, anywhere them go in a public, them left them pitney for run up and down. It's doing a carelessness. So that is why we have them news here. See? Now I want to listen and watch what go on. Because the despicable them probably come here to do. Grape off a little pitney them, because America is filled with these grapists. And even in Haiti, and we have some from Haiti that are so-called despicable, right? And it's a part of some cultures in Haiti for old man, or may I come? For some grade old man to be dating and to be fooling around underages, you see me? So I just make this run off and burn off.
Asked my child yesterday evening. Her name is Shani. Most people call her Kaja in the neighborhood. And she currently was attended to Tri Primary School, and from there on, she's on summer break, so she's home. Unfortunately, her grandmother sent her to the shop and she did not make it back home. Someone stopped her on the street and disturbed her somehow until they slashed her throat. We found her in the night. You know, yeah. But she was a loving and caring young community growing up. Everybody knows her. She knows everyone, by full name. She can see you, call you by your first name and last name. That's how curious she is. And, she have a sense of humor. She go to school. She learns well. She get a lot of stuff, her education background, academic awards, stuff like that. She do what she has to do because she just decides that she want to make something out of herself once she grow up, because we try to drive that into her head. But things just had happened overnight because of this pervert, who always going back and forth to prison for actually the same thing. But this time, he take the strike out on my daughter. And it was...
All right, so them family we unalive them daughter is a rapist, and them have him a go prisoner come out So so you see it? It's almost like the world I show them say, or the earth I show them say them deserve it because for them family member fool around other people, pitney and I go prison. Zane? And now him come fool around for them one. I have no family members with problem in them family, and because for them family where a corruption, them nah exercise the corruption against them family, so the family protect them, and the family not do business with the corruption where for them family are do to other people a road. But now when the family member do it to them, Zin? Yes, it's a problem. Just like the police were there, we come out, we talk about how police stop him and I tell lie about speedometer show 100 and him and him wife in the car and him know him never go so fast. But police say him a drive 100 kilometers per hour and the policeman say a lie. And then you hear the policeman to know, police like who make people lose trust in a way. But we are these police when the 23 police them unalive the innocent youth in our house. Where was these police when them cut off Enzinga ear? You notice that police them no business about the public. Them only come out and a ball on social media when them get treated by the same police when them always stay silent pan. You see me? No police no come out when police deal with civilian corrupt, but police want come out when police deal with police corrupt. Allow them and don't try save them and don't try spare them because them not feel sorry for nobody. So when police deal with other police corrupt, you don't feel sorry for them because them don't open their mouth for nobody when police deal with civilian corrupt. So you have to glad when police deal with police corrupt. And this is almost like the same thing. Our own family member deal with them own family member corrupt. And you have enough family where have corruption in them family and them not care about them. Them not care for make them stop or care for help because for them family provoke other people and not them. But now in this, you see, say the family provoke them themselves. So this is like a sign where say, yo, I can't be too sad because guess what? That girl, she got heaven still, So we don't have to feel sorry for her. She got heaven. See? Yes, that are just for them judgment, the parents, you see me? And drastic time call for drastic measure. The time corrupt, so you have to what? You can't send out your pitney a shop and send them a school by themselves. Little toddler pitney them.
Very, very weird this time because he slashed her throat. I never seen anything like this for such a baby. It's an act of what never should happen into this neighborhood.
So when we see it, she come from an educated background, you understand? Your father have education like that and your mother, same way your mother not done. You understand?
I don't understand. Because them parents look like them dunce. I not lie. You see me? Because them have a family member go prison every time. Oh boy, I don't know. Jaja.
So from grade 1, she always do her best. From 1, come up, she do. Always try to come first. She always try to. Then one teacher appreciate her. Whether we look at stamp in her book, or then give her a sweetie, or a teacher them always try to elevate her, make sure that she knows that she had do good. Right now, Cage are the top primary student.
I not lie. Them pitney bright for sure. The pitney is bright. You know what I mean? But I say you have some bright pitney will come out of Dunn's family, you see me? And if the family not keep them pitney focusing on them schoolwork, then the pitney will become Dunn's as a family. So this girl is definitely a bright girl, you see me? I achieve her potentially great future ahead. And that's why her life was taken short.
I know right now if try school that if try have to lock today because of what happened to Shania. Shania call to you. If Shania go, Shania call to you. When Shania come back, Shania call to you. We call her Kaja because she her nickname. We don't bother call her Shania. Shania her full name. You understand? Kaja always a do good. See then? She get since week before last week, she do her something. See then? She get her result. She get her a certificate for show her brilliance. You understand? Because she a put out. When you look at Shana, you see next doctor, lawyer, and then just take it, brother, take her life. Then just cut her off. She not do nothing. She not do nothing to the youth we kill her cousin. Youth related to her. You understand? Like right now, me I tell you the truth, we devastated. Right now, we don't know we head from we foot. The whole of we there. Right now, from last night we don't sleep, everybody gone 2 o'clock. And now we don't sleep. We can't sleep. We can't sleep, you know? Because this traumatizing. Maybe occasionally they come take him out of poverty and then cut him life short. Cut him life short. Kill him. And the boy rape her, you know, save her. Cut her throat. The boy never stay till we run. Tell you.
Well, I hope so them cry so and feel it so same way for the other people where for them family go hurt too, you know, you see me? Because I say I have some people with bad family and them not give a crap when for them family go hurt other people are road. But when them finally hurt them own family member, that's how when them feel it. I'm kind of sense that right, yes, so. This what I say? But nonetheless, we feel sorry for them still. You get me I say? And then again, them say the mother is too sad for talk. So I don't know who this like. This is some auntie or something. You see me? Jaja.
Cut her throat. So I look for my niece and go in her body bag. I tell you, if you need a rape her and left her, at least we have her go and go through. Carry her to her therapy or whatever, but take her. Take her. I tell you. I tell you.
Boy, the therapy thing that's not even acceptable. Come on, even want my pitney for you go yo, Jaja no. For regret my pitney, boy, me I wonder if I better if you did analyze my pitney, man. Cause me I tell you, for my pitney go live through that day. Remember, me tell you, yo, me no want to tell you no my evil mind where me I think. But watch out, the pitney attached to Dodo's Coke. You see me? She named Shani Coke. So you know say is a evil set of family believe because name goes a far away. I tell you know how that go. There's only a few people named Coke in Jamaica from Portland to Kingston go right round. You see me? Just a few of them. So it's possible them connected to even Dodo's Coke. You see me? Mother ass my people. Watch out. So the mother there.
Lost my child yesterday evening.
Yeah, so the mother there beside the auntie it look like. Hold on them, I go see something. Look on the comments, my people. See I'll Kiva there in our comments. Kiva the legend, big up herself. My poor heart can't take this. See there? I gone 511 comments, likes for my comments in a 10 hour. You see me? And this is what I say. I say, stop sending out to the pitney shop without supervision these days. It's not the 90s anymore. And me have tons of replies. I don't want to see the backlash what me I get to. You see me? I can't talk about it now. So me I have to end this now. Sorry guys, but make sure to support the thing. You see me? Yeah, so